Okay, once again, last classwork page 12, again at our secret geometry classwork location. The directions for each pair of triangles tell which postulate, if any, can be used to prove the triangles are congruent. So this one's a little more involved on some of these. We'll have to look at it. We'll see. Number one, we're going to look. We have one marking, an angle, and two markings. 1, angle 2. So that's very simple, side, angle, side. Okay, over to number 2. We want triangle CDE. So that's CDE. And we're doing that with ABF. There's ABF. So make sure you're looking at the right triangles. And when you look, you got an angle, the side, and another angle, 2 markings, 1 marking, side, 2 markings. So that's going to be angle, side, angle. Very important you know which triangles you're looking at on some of these. For number 3, key marking in here, we have right angles. So across from the right angles, we know the sides of this shape. We're going to call it a rhombus because they didn't tell us these are right angles. But if the diagonals are right angles, we know it's a rhombus if the diagonals form right angles. This side is the hypotenuse. So we have our right angles. We have a leg in each triangle. And we have the hypotenuse. So HL. Very nice there. Now, 4 is a little bit more involved, and it has to do with this triangle BFE down here. When you look, you have CD and AG are the same. Now it says GF and ED are the same. That's where the markings are. But they each contain this little piece of FE here. So GE is the same as FD. Those will also be the same. And by that instance, when you look here, you see CB and AB are the same. But they each have another little notch that's also the same. So this plus this and this plus this are going to be the same. So it's a long way to get there, but you have side, side, side. Okay, AGE and CDF. Now we're going to come down to 5. Okay, we've got RTS and CBA. We've got angle, angle, side, the 1 marking, 2 marking, and the side, and there it is. So that's good. Angle, angle, side. We will come over here to 6, and again, you've got angle, 1 marking, 2 markings, side, 1 marking, 2 markings, side. You can also mark this as congruent as part of the reflexive property. I don't know if that helps you much, not really. But either way, angle, angle, side, you know, it's always good to know that that's the same. Down here, we have a bisector. BD bisects ABC. ABC is here, so that angle is the same as that by the bisector. Now if you look again, we've got reflexive property, that's the same. Angle, check that, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. And the last one, right off the rip, we see right angles, so we're looking for hypotenuse leg. We have the hypotenuse in each one, and the leg is the same side as part of the reflexive property. So we can say hypotenuse leg. And there's page 12. Hope everybody is doing okay. Stay safe, stay healthy.